everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I am standing a new train journey from Supaul, and I am really excited for today's journey. I am traveling on train number 11402, the Supaul-Pune Express. My journey today is from Supaul to Khandwa Junction. So guys, my train was generally to leave Supaul at 2:30 p.m. but it still hasn't left the time. Watching for it to. So guys, my train was essentially to leave Supaul at 2:30 p.m. but it still hasn't left the station. I have been standing inside the train since around 2 p.m. I will show you the rest of the journey. Our journey has officially started. I am really excited to see what this journey means. Let's enjoy and viewers from this window. After watching for quite and while the journey has finally started. Let's see what station and beautiful view we get to see along the way. So let's continue our journey. Guys, we are now approaching Barauni Junction. Barauni is an important railway junction in Bihar. The train is running at a good speed and the journey is going. It's time to relax and enjoy. The train is running at good speed and the journey is going smooth. And we have a short halt. After Patliputra, we will connect our journey towards Barauni
Pune Express, Supaul से चले 402 सुपौल